What if I told you that a single word could change your life? What if that word was opportunity? Sounds intriguing, right? But what does opportunity truly mean? And how does it impact our lives? In the next few minutes, I'll explore with you the depths of this often used but seldom understood word. When we think of opportunity, it often conjures up images of doors opening, chances appearing out of nowhere, and a sudden break from the monotony and predictability of life. But opportunity is so much more than that. Consider the story of Alexander Fleming, the scientist who discovered penicillin. When a petri dish in his lab was accidentally contaminated, instead of discarding it, he noticed that the mold growing on the dish was killing bacteria. Some might say that was a lucky accident, but in reality, it was an opportunity. Fleming had the insight to recognize this as a potential for something bigger, a chance to create a substance that could fight infections, and thus, penicillin was born. Now, let's take a look at another example from the world of sports. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was once cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of wallowing in disappointment, he saw the setback as an opportunity to work harder and improve his skills. The result? A legendary career that has inspired millions of people all around the world. So what do these stories tell us about opportunity? First, opportunity often comes disguised as a challenge or a setback. It's not always a golden ticket handed to us on a silver platter. We need to have the insight and the courage to recognize it and seize it. Second, opportunity is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. It's about deciding to see the potential in a situation instead of focusing on the obstacles. Finally, opportunity is not just about personal gain, it's about making a difference in our own lives, in the lives of others, and in the world. So the next time you encounter a challenge or a setback, ask yourself, is this an opportunity? Is this a chance to learn, to grow, to make a difference? Remember, every opportunity is a stepping stone to success. And who knows, maybe the next opportunity you seize will change your life, just like it did for Alexander Fleming and Michael Jordan. Finally, opportunity is a powerful word that holds the promise of change and growth. It's a word that encourages us to look beyond the obvious, to see the potential in every situation, and to make the most of every moment. So, seize every opportunity and watch your life transform in ways you never imagined. Remember, like and share this video.